All right, we're going to be swinging the other direction now in terms of temperatures after a little bit cooler day today. We should be into the 90s as we slide into this upcoming weekend, though not quite up to what we had on Monday, which was 111 degrees above average. The first half of the month here in Casper is 2.5 degrees above average or so. Precipitation is also running a deficit of nearly 0.4 of an inch, and it generally is looking dry and hot as we head through the next 5 to 7 days. But tonight, most of our shower potential is ending. It'll be partly cloudy and quiet. And through the end of the week, we're mostly dry and hotter, other than a couple of stray showers here and there. And then a warm and breezy weekend with that afternoon or evening rubble chance as well. So most of our showers and storms again fading overnight tonight. We're partly cloudy and quiet, but temperature is actually running a little cooler here, down to around 50 degrees as we start off our Thursday morning. That's 7 degrees below the average. Sunrise is at 5:42 and the sunset tomorrow is at 8:40. We continue to see the loss of daylight now. They're almost a month beyond the summer solstice, which occurred on June 20th. 92 degrees tomorrow. That's above average by 3 degrees. And we're close to average again on Friday and Saturday, with maybe a slight introduction of that shower and thunderstorm potential on Thursday into Friday and Saturday afternoons. The winds will generally be around 20 miles per hour into the afternoon through the end of the week, but then Sunday into Monday, our winds are increasing out of the southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Also noting that we have some heat that'll be building mainly to the south and continuing to build into the region through the end of the month, but this is from the 22nd to the 26, so slight uptick in that temperature department and maybe a slight uptick in the precip chance, but the heaviest precipitation chances look to be off to our north and east, kind of the outer periphery of that dome of hot weather that'll be developing again through the end of the month. For tomorrow, we're officially under a general thunderstorm threat, much like today. Again, the clouds will be filling in, but tomorrow's rain and thunder threat will be much more isolated, but the clouds will be filling in, and then a slightly better chance of seeing more widely scattered storms on Friday and or Saturday. But rainfall tallies, pretty light. Might be lucky to see a couple to a few 100ths of an inch of rain. Our best chance of rain will be farther south and east near Cheyenne and Torrington. So for tonight, a little bit cooler. Open the windows. We'll be down into the upper 40s and lower 50s. 47 degrees in Medicine Bow, the cool spot on our maps locally. Temperatures tomorrow will be hot once again as we get back close to, if not slightly above average, into the lower 90s. And again, maybe a slight shower or thunderstorm chance into the afternoon. That coverage area becomes a little more widely scattered on Friday into Saturday, but still more isolated with hot temperatures into the 90s through next week.